Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you the new paper collection that we just got in. This is from Blue Fern, and it's called Passage. Now, I know a few of you had pre-ordered this, and those shipments have gone out. But this is a beautiful paper collection, and for the very first time that I know of, Blue Fern has also come out with an 8x8 in this same collection. So this is 8x8 paper. It's the same collection, same style. They're just in a smaller format, so that is good. We had a few of those. Those are pre-sold, but then we also have more coming in next week. So if you want an 8x8, you can grab one of those. All the links for this collection will be below. All right, again, this is called Passage, right there. And this is beautiful. This one's called Bucket List. Look at that. I love the hot air balloons. These old vintage photos, tickets. The collaging on here, as usual, is beautiful. And this is that same quality of Blue Fern paper. Nice and thick. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, this one is called Daytripper. Look at that old car right there. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? That collage is great. You could even fussy cut that out and use it on the front of a mini album. That'd be beautiful. And then the back side, love that. Okay, then this one is called Homeward Bound. And look at this heart, and it's got all of this map inside there. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then there's the big map on that side. Let's see. Trying to see if I recognize any of these places. Charles River. Not really. I'm sure if I looked close I could find something, but this one is called Intercontinental. That's so pretty. Love the old train on there. Early mile is a new memory. Every mile is a new memory. I can't read, so look at that. Isn't that pretty? All those old hot air balloons and the way they did them way back when. So pretty. And then this one is called Panorama. I love how they inserted that lace right there at the top of that map. Isn't that pretty? And then that side. This one is Point of Origin. There's that side. This travelogue. I'll get it right in a minute. Travelogue. That's what you do. That's how you read when you're trying to look at everything all at once and read a word too. You're just, I get all mixed up. This is so pretty. I'm just reading all these little, and that old vintage book right there. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And then this one is Notes from Abroad. And there's all those old postcards. There's an old letterbox. Look at that. This is somewhere in Paris, it says. Well, it tells the name, but that's Paris. That is the name right there, or whatever that is. And then Junket. What this one is called. I don't know why they call this junket. Is that suitcases? I like it. Whatever. Isn't that pretty? Those starburst. And then this one is Itinerary. And this is all of those little cards that you can cut out and use for journaling cards. And the back is more of a muted color so that you can use the journaling cards to write on the back without even having to put anything else on there. I like that, and I love how they did this black border around that. That is so pretty. And Blue Fern does it where you can even use these little pieces down here. If you notice, you can even use all of these little strips if you want to too. So I love these little cards. So you get 10 sheets of the 12 by 12 paper in a bundle. So that is that. And then the 8 by 8, it is 20 double-sided designer pages in the 8 by 8. And this was designed by Michelle Singh. And then here is the ephemera packs. And I have more of these on order, so they will be here next week. You can go ahead and pre-order if you want to. But I'll hold it up and see if you can see everything that's in there. Hopefully you can. Lots of goodies in there. And let's see, it's 28 die cut cardstock shapes. So these are a thick cardstock. They're not little thin paper. So they are very, very nice. The hot air balloons, the old car, the old camera, the tickets, and the little flags, the heart. Lots of different things in there. So that is what we have in right now. Now I also have ordered some of the, I think it's called journaling cards, maybe? I'll look and see, but I will load that up as well. I've ordered some of those. I don't have any of those in right now, but I will have those loaded in the shop if you want to pre-order them. And then I have also ordered the stamp set that goes along with this, and it is gorgeous. It will be fantastic for background stamping and all of that. I'll load that in the shop too. So all of this is in, and we're getting the pre-orders out. And then we have more of this coming. So if you want to pre-order any of this, all the links will be below. You can go over and do that. All right, that was this video. I just wanted to show you this brand new paper collection. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.